Hello students, today we learn about carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants are plants that trap and digest insects or small animals to obtain nutrients. 1. Venus flytrap has jaw-like leaves that snap shut when an insect touches them. Pitcher plant features deep, pitcher-shaped leaves where insects fall in and get digested. Sundew, Drosera, has sticky tentacle-like hairs on its leaves that trap and digest insects. Bladderwort, Utricularia, an aquatic plant with tiny bladders that suck in and digest small water organisms.